Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance. So first of all, go to your Trust Wallet, enter your, basically choose your cryptocurrency which you want to go ahead and send. Click send button. And from here you will see that you need to enter the address and the amount. So to have that address, you need to go back to Binance. Here on Binance, you want to go ahead and click swap, and you want to go ahead and deposit. You want to deposit crypto, and let's choose USDT. Now you need to know which network you need to choose, so you go back to Trust Wallet, and as you can see, send USDT Polygon. So Polygon is their network, so you need to go ahead on Binance and choose Polygon, and you need to go ahead and copy this address, copy your address to Trust Wallet, paste it here, enter the amount you want to go ahead and send, and click next and send. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.